Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. Oh! So for today's video, I'm coming to you guys with another testing out first impression reviews, my opinions about the Sephora Pro face palette. This product has been out already for like a year. It came out in 2019. I got two. I got one in medium and I got the other one in deep. Got these two for $29 each. The regular price for these is $58. They had it at 50% off deal at Sephora. The sale is actually over. I'm gonna look at it and see if they came back with it, but I think they have it at the regular price now. So they have it at the regular price now, that is $58. I'm really sorry that I'm posting this late. I'm just gonna give you guys my thoughts about it, if you guys should buy it or not, if it's worth the $58. On the website it has almost 5 stars, but we're just gonna see. I'm gonna tell you guys which one is better if you don't want to buy both of them. As you guys can see, I already did my eyes, I already did my eyebrows, I already applied the foundation, I already applied the concealer, and I already set the concealer. So now it's time to contour my face and to apply blush and highlighter. On one side I'm gonna apply the medium, and on my left side I'm gonna be applying the deep. I'm first gonna be applying the medium. I'm gonna tell you guys about the packaging. So this is how the packaging looks like for the medium. On the front part you have the Sephora Pro, and then it has the Pro face palette, and this has 7 grams, a lot of product. This is how the back looks like. It's just telling you guys about the palette, what it is, what it does, and it as well comes out with the ingredients. Right here on the corner it shows you the color that is on the inside, but we're just gonna find out because on the outside it can be another different color from what is on the inside. I actually opened this palette already because I wanted it to see if it's not broken. I just want to make sure if it came out in good condition. So when you open it, this is how it looks like. Looking at it like this, it reminds me so much of the Sephora Pro eye palette. Just it has the different colors, and on the back you just have the Sephora Pro, but it gives you the Pro face palette. Okay, so this is one of the eyeshadow palettes that I have from the Sephora Pro, and on the back it gives you the Sephora Pro pigment palette. So on the inside of this box it came with this guide, like a mini tutorial that you can do with the medium palette. It gives you a look 1, look 2, look 3, and it does the same thing on the back but with another language. So like I told you guys, I'm gonna be applying the medium shade on my right side, that is gonna be your left side. When you open it, it comes with a huge mirror and this plastic that I'm not gonna keep because I always lose the plastic. You have your contour, your blush, the bronzer, 2 matte blushes, and this one, and this one are the highlighter. So the pan on this palette is a huge pan, so this palette is gonna last you for a really long time, let's say about like a year or so. So let's start by applying these products out. So I'm gonna contour first, and I'm gonna be using the Sedona Lace FB05 brush, and I'm gonna take this shade right here. So far so good. This palette, it is pigmented. Now I'm gonna take a blush brush. I'm gonna use this one from Juvia's Place, and for blush I'm gonna be taking this color here, a pinkish color. For the blush color, it's not too intense and it's not too pigmented. For highlighter, I'm gonna go with this highlighter that is called First Class. The blush color that I use is called Flossy. I'm sorry that I didn't tell you guys. And the contour color that I use is called Groundbreaking. So I'm gonna take the First Class, and it looks like it's a really nice color. It is pigmented, as you guys can see, so a little bit goes a long way with this highlighter. So So now I'm gonna be applying the deep shade on the other side. And this is a palette. It just comes with the same instruction as the medium one. The back side, it just comes with what the palette is about and what the palette does, and it comes with the colors on the side here. This is how the Sephora Pro Deep Face Palette looks like. So much different. The Sephora Pro logo on the deep one is a hot pink color, and the Sephora Pro on the medium one is a lighter pink color, and it comes as well with the 3 tutorials that you can do. So that's really nice for beginners. So this is how the inside looks like, and it comes with the plastic that I'm not gonna keep. So let's start applying it now. I'm gonna contour my face. I'm gonna use the shade Epic. Oh my goodness. You guys had to be really careful applying this because it's really pigmented. So I'm going with a clean brush. I went a little bit harsh with this one. And then for blush, I'm gonna go with this shade that is called After Party, and I'm gonna grab it with another Juvia's Place brush. And then I'm just gonna highlight, and I'm gonna be applying this shade that is called LA. Okay, so there you have it. This side is the deep side, that is the left side for me, and right side for you. And then this side, that is the medium side, and is my right side, but for you is the left side. So what do you guys think? Which one do you guys like better? Let me finish the rest of my face. Let me apply my liquid lipstick, and I will be right back to give you guys my final thoughts about this palette, okay? Hi, my love. Damn! I know I look so different. I know this is not the makeup that I was wearing in the beginning. I forgot to put play on the camera, and I was not recording when I was doing the outro, when I was giving you guys my final thoughts about this palette. So to give you guys my final thoughts about this palette, these palettes are really amazing, so pigmented, so buttery. They really blend into the complexion very smoothly, very soft. A little bit will go a long way with this palette. The pan on this palette, it is super big. I'm covering the mirror because I don't want to blind you with all of this light. This palette will last you a long time. It expires in 12 months, a year. Great color payoff that these palettes have. If you want to go for the deep one or you want to go for the medium one. If I had to choose between deep and medium, for me, I would choose the deep one, and I will give you guys my reason why. Because the colors on this one is so beautiful. It's more beautiful than the medium one, I'm be honest, and that's my choice why I like the deep one. The colors on this one is so beautiful, and especially this highlighter here. Look at this highlighter, beautiful. And this gold color here as well. Look at this one as well, this golden color. And the blushes are really nice, especially this bright color that is called Red Carpet. This is a red color, so you have to be really careful with this one because the colors on these palettes are really pigmented. And this one that is kind of like a peachy orange color is so beautiful. It will look so nicely with smoky eye look. The contour color is so pigmented. As you guys saw, that I had to go really careful with this contour. The medium one is nice as well if you like warm color, but it's not at like, it doesn't cut your eyes so much as the deep one does. But if you have lighter skin, this one will work for you. But if you have my skin color or deeper, the deep one is definitely the one for you. So for the price on this palette, I know that this palette is really pricey, $58, but trust me when I say that it's worth the money. It's really worth that $58 that is cost. And you can even wear this palette as a eyeshadow palette. You can apply it on your eyes as well. It doesn't have to be only for your face. You can apply it on your eyes to do a really nice eye look. If you guys would like me to do that, let me know in the comment box below, and I will be gladly to do a eye tutorial with this palette, either the deep one or the medium one, whichever you guys would like me to do a eye tutorial on. I will be gladly to do so. So that is all, my love, for this first impression impression review about this Sephora Pro face palette. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you did, you guys know what to do. Hit the like button if you like, and as well subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you guys can be noticed when I will be posting a new video. And until my next one, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Give me love, give me love, give me love, give me love,